Students, a very good morning to all of you and welcome to the new class. This is Dr. Sanjana Sharma from the Department of English. Students, I am going to teach you paper 8th B, Indian Writings in English. While looking into the history of Indian writings in English, and if we go to the beginning of 19th century, we see that Henry Derozio and Michael Madhusudan Dutt, both of them belonged to Bengal and they were writing in English. Prior to Derozio and Michael Madhusudan Dutt, in the year 1793, Dean Muhammad Sheikh published his memoir that was a sort of a travelogue in the book form, and that is taken to be the first book published by any Indian in English. If we come to the middle of 19th century, we find Toru Dutt. Toru Dutt, she was born to a very educated couple. Both her parents were keenly interested in literature and they were proficient in many languages. When Toru was about 10 years old, the family shifted to France. Here, Toru learned French language and at the same time she was learning English as well. After some years, the family shifted to England and Toru got education at Cambridge as well. Toru wrote not only in English but in French as well, and she translated some of the French writings into English. Along with Toru Dutt, the major poets of Indian writings in English are Rabindranath Tagore, Sarojini Naidu, Kamala Das, E.K. Ramanujan, Nissim Ezekiel, and many more to name. And if we look at the novelists, and if we go to the beginning of 20th century, in the first half of 20th century, many prominent novelists were writing into English. A.K. Ramanujan is there. Raja Rao is there. R.K. Narayan is there. Bhavini Bhattacharya is there. All of them were writing in the first half of 19th century. You must have heard about the film Guide. It was based on a novel by R.K. Narayan, and the name of the novel was Guide. You must have heard its beautiful song. Mulk Raz Anand, Khwaja Ahmad Abbas, all of them were writing in English. They were great English novelists. You must have heard the name of the film Coolie, that was also based on a novel written by a prominent Indian novelist. Now I leave it up to you to find out the name of that novelist. And if we look at the female novelists of India. We have Anita Desai, Kamala Markande, and many other Indian women were there, or rather we should say are there, who are writing in English. And if we go to the genres of drama, famous dramatist Girish Karnad is there. He has written several English dramas, and his drama Tughlaq is there in your syllabus. These Indian authors, the themes covered by them are various. They have written about their childhood experiences, just destiny of modern India, social changes that are taking place in India, and how this social change has affected Indian psyche. They have also delineated this thing in their writings. The cultural transformation that has taken place due to India's increasing contact to the West, it also finds a place in their writing. The theme of East-West encounter can be traced in the novels or the poems written by Indian authors. So students, today I gave you a very brief introduction to the history of Indian writings in English, and I told you about some of the prominent authors who have written or are writing into English. Thank you very much for today. We will be meeting in our next class and continue with the same topic. Thank you very much.